Hello and welcome to this GODEX video on the amazing EZPi1200 printer. What makes the EZPi1200 so special is that it is loaded with standard features and options and priced well below the less capable big brand models. So let's have a look at the Pi1200 and see what you get. We will start in the back with all the interface choices. All of these interfaces are standard equipment on the EZPi1200: serial, parallel, USB, Ethernet, and PS2. And if needed, there is a handy wireless card for cable-free operation. Now moving back to the front of the printer, we can see the backlit LCD user interface screen and the 3 control buttons. The LCD is great because it provides accurate and timely information to the user regarding the operational state of the printer, such as out of labels or out of ribbon or printhead open. And using the LCD and control buttons together, the user can configure printer settings such as heat, speed, set up for black bar or gap stock, and choose interface ports.
And taking it one step further, for variable data entry, you can connect a standard PS2 keyboard and a scanner to the back of the printer. Other options include an electronic cutter and a label dispenser. By using the free QLabel software and internal real-time clock that comes with the printer, you can create your own standalone printing application. Let's say you want to make freshness ingredient labels for salad products that are date stamped and also identified who prepared them. Simply create the label format in our QLabel software, download it into the Pi1200 printer, then disconnect the computer and connect the PS2 keyboard. Next, power on the printer, select the label format, enter in the operator's name, select how many labels you want to print, and then print. Simple and effective. And one other outstanding characteristic of the EZPi1200, not only is it incredibly flexible, it is a real powerhouse performer as well. While other more well-known and more expensive desktop printers are rated at only 1,000 labels per day, the Pi1200 is rated at 10,000 labels per day. If you really want to get into some high volume printing applications with the Pi1200, set it up with this handy external media stand and use up to 10-inch OD label rolls. This high capacity external media holder combined with the standard 300 meter ribbon will give you industrial printer output capability half the price.
You might wonder, is the Pi1200 built strong enough for this kind of high volume printing? GODEX says it certainly is, and here is why. First of all, the Pi1200 features an impressive 1 amp motor weighing in at a full 10 ounces. That is over half a pound of high torque motor that is driving the Pi1200. To put this powerful motor in perspective, here's the Pi's half-pound 1 amp motor sitting next to the 6/10 of an amp, 3 ounce motor from a common brand desktop printer. The Pi1200 is twice as powerful, 3 times larger, and 3 times heavier than the common brand motor. And to handle all that power, we outfit the Pi1200 with a big steel shaft planer roller that is mounted in large brass oil light bushings. This assembly is meant for speed, high output, and long-term reliability. Common printers in this class settle for undersized plastic platen bushings like this one. In the critical printhead bracket area, where common brands choose to go plastic, GODEX again chooses to use steel. This maximizes precise long-term printhead alignment for perfect barcode printing, and the heat sink effect of the steel creates a much cooler running printer, especially during those high-volume print jobs. So yes, the Pi1200 is designed for and rated at up to 10,000 labels per day. And just to give you that extra level of comfort and security, GODEX provides some of the longest product warranties in the industry.
Add it all up, and the PI1200 is really an amazing desktop printer, especially since it is priced hundreds of dollars less than the closest performing big brand printer. If you're interested in learning more about the EZPi1200, we would certainly like to show this amazing printer to you. Please contact your local GODEX office for more information. And thank you for watching this GODEX video presentation.